And that's what I'm lucky with sa press people because they don't include my parents, my family, my friends who are not in the business into the mudslinging, into the intriga. So, fair enough. I'll just take it all in. The parents ko, cool lang. Basta wag lang sila yung tirahin.
Wag na sila idamay.
Ako yung papalagnat pag gano'n.
So what are the values and the principles that you hold on to?
One thing that, even my friends say na pag pumunta sa bahay, yung parents ko parehong magaan dalhin. Mahusay makisama. And personally kasi, I'm very intense with the stuff that I do. So, ang inaalala ko lang lagi, teka, yung dad ko cool na cool eh. So, hanggat kaya, magpapaka-cool ako. Yung tipo, sige lang.
Relax. So try to keep her relaxed.
Pero hindi ako masyadong successful doon sa partner.
What keeps you grounded?
My friends. Actually, my manager would know. Noel would know. Time with my friends is time with my friends.
I guess it's important.
Yeah,
You need that time to regroup,
Yeah. It's a
recharge.
weekend off with my friends, and sila rin kasi hindi sila showbiz pero aware sila kasi natutuwa sila eh. To them it's one big show. Kumbaga sa kanila, pare, easy ka lang sa trabaho mo, hindi ka naman naghahanap ng cure sa cancer eh. Acting lang din yan. Huwag ka masyadong magpaka-intense. Easy ka lang. Because to them, parang trabaho lang yan. Pwedeng iwanan sa opisina yung problema.
Okay, when it's time for fun, let's
Yes.
relax.
Yes.
Okay, and because marami nagmamahal sa'yo na mga kaibigan mo, here, you watch this.
Kung paano naman siya kasi in person or sa trabaho, ganun din naman siya in person. So, ayan, very professional sa katrabaho. At first, nailang siya because he's a host. He started as a host. He's a good host. And ngayon, kasi dati nagtatanong pa sa amin yan ni Marvin, parang sabi niya, Dong, paano ako iiyak ko? Paano bang gagawin to? Paano gagawin yan? What you see is what you get. That's Ryan Agoncillo. I mean, very professional.
He's a friend. You would say na kapag nakatrabaho mo si Ryan, he would become your friend. He's a very transparent guy. He's very fun. Mahilig magpatawa.
Sobrang bait, kuyang-kuya talaga. Ang daming advice na makukuha. Sobrang, ang dami sinasabi tungkol sa buhay.
He has the wit. I mean, sa akin ko konti lang yun eh. He's intelligent. I think what's important dito in any business or in anything you do, syempre kailangan mo rin gamitin yung utak mo. Pangalawa, hindi lang naman syempre utak pagiging professional sa trabaho.
He's very successful, I think, because wala siyang pretensions. Whatever he is, that you see in him, ganun na siya talaga.
Sobrang professional, hindi nalilate, ganyan. Sobrang maalaga sa katrabaho.
Of course, we're proud of you. Congratulations, syempre. I wish you all the best. Congratulations, Bud. And best pa naman tayo paminsan.
To Ryan, you almost have everything in your hands right now. You have a very beautiful and colorful love life. You have a very successful career. And you being a photographer, I'm sure mahaba pa yan. You've got a long way to go. Just pray to God that God will bless you more.
I'm always here for you, kuya. Parang ako pa rin yung bunso mo kahit anong mangyari. Kahit na dito lang tayo sa trabaho, magkuya, magbunso, magkapatid, ganyan. Sa akin, forever and ever tayong magkapatid, ganon. Kahit hindi sa dugo. Basta, nandito lang ako. Love you!
Wow. Yan. O ngayon, syempre, this night can't pass without me asking you this. Gano'n na kayo katagal ni Juday?
What's the year now? Wala kasi kaming anibersaryo eh. But we should be entering our third year. Or nag-start na yung third year.
Okay. Didn't you feel that pressure na, uy, eto si Juday yung girlfriend ko, I have to be this, I have to be that. May expectation, di ba? Uy, talagang you're enjoying, ha? Okay. So, did you feel that pressure? Okay lang.
What?
May ganun. So, kumakain ka na lang. So, malamang yun ang sagot niya sa akin. Hindi ko nakuha. Ko.
In terms of work lang siguro. Because I'm given the opportunity to work with her. And not everyone is given that chance, diba? To work with to work with an actress na, like, yung sa generation na, an actress her caliber. Kumbaga, bago ka maging leading man yan, dadaan ka muna sa butas ng karayom. Eh, ang nangyari sa akin, medyo natuwa yung mga tao at nailagay ako doon. I guess the pressure on my part is just in the acting business.
Okay.
Doon lang yung pressure kasi kailangan ko naman hindi magmukhang amateur sa tabi ni Juday.
Pero syempre,